else do you need, Jazzy? Everybody say it with me. Can you say, what else do we need, Jazzy? You did it! Okay. Hey! And welcome back to a new series called Baking with Jazzy. Baking with Jazzy. Baking with Jazzy. I can't jump because I'm wearing a skirt, but we're fucking baking today, bitch. That's why I got on this pussy cunt ass outfit. We're making apple pie if you didn't fucking know. I don't really know the exact recipe, but I've made apple pie before and I have a general idea, so I'm kind of gonna YOLO most of it. And hopefully it comes out nice. So, let's grab our ingredients. Yay! First, you need a fuck ton of apples. Like, way too many apples. Like, bitch, this is way too many apples. Like, you like, girl, like, are you in an orchard? This is hella apple, okay? If you're wondering what kind, if you're baking along with me today, bitch, we have green Granny Smith Gilf Ussy apple. And then we have Sweet Tango apple. And then we have Honey Crisp. Isn't that so fancy and amazing and spectacular? Yeah. Okay. What else do you need, Jazzy? Give me a fucking second. I'm gonna show you. You need a pie crust. Woo! I only bought one. I should have bought two because I actually don't know how much I need. And if I end up not having enough, I'm kind of fucked. But like I said, we finna just YOLO this shit, so it don't really matter. Pie crust Ussy. No, I'm not making it from scratch. Bitch, I'm not Nara Smith. I'm not doing that. What else do you need, Jazzy? I'll show you. Butter. What else do you need? I'll show you. You need 6 bumba ras clot pussy bumba blood clot egg. Yay! What else do you need? What else do you need, Jazzy? Everybody say it with me. Can you say, what else do we need, Jazzy? You did it! And you're spamming egg. Okay. 6 give me a second.
6 blood clot egg, then 6 bomba ras clot, pussy bomba blood clot egg. 6 blood clot egg, then
I need the stool.
bomba blood clot egg. 6 bomba ras clot, bomba ras clot egg. Bomba blood clot
And you're still doing egg. Okay, well. What else do I need? Salt. What else do you need, Jazzy? I'll show you. You need azúcar. Yay, sugar, yeah. Okay, what else do you need, Jazzy? I don't know.
6 bomba ras clot, pussy bomba blood clot.
I actually have no idea. A pan?
Blood clot egg, then.
What else do you need, Jazzy? Can you say a pie pan? Good job.
Fuck on his dick a leg. Burn that
Who
nigga dick a
suck?
leg. Fuck on his dick a leg. Burn that nigga dick a leg. Fuck on his dick a leg. Burn that nigga dick a leg. Fuck on his dick a leg.
EL True Legend Dio gifted gummies the subscription. EL True Legend Dio gifted a tier 1 sub to gummies.
So I'm just like eyeballing this because I'm ignorant. Um. Oh, I need flour. I think that's flour. I'm not sure. Damn, I look buff as shit. Okay. Okay, so is the oven preheat? Okay. Now, cutting board. Okay, we have 8 apples. So we're going to wash them. Ooh, this fucking soap. Okay, the apples are clean. Let me get the knife. And you're gonna be like, is that sharp? No, it's not, because none of my knives are sharp because I don't have a knife sharpener and I don't have fancy knives. So, too fucking bad. Why cry to your mommy about it, bitch? So I need to put a tablespoon of maybe a little bit more in the pot. So I'm gonna cut that and just throw that in there, rip that chunk out. And I'm gonna just throw it in a pot so it'll be ready when I need it. Put it in there. Nigga, I don't know. Okay, what a view. Isn't that amazing? Move the fuck. Actually, we could keep the bowl here. Okay, don't stare at my boobs too much. I know they're huge and giant J-cups. You can't help yourself. But we're gonna cut the apple. All right. Okay. Oh. Oh shit, the butter is already heating up. Okay, bitch. Okay, bitch. Okay, bitch. We moving. Okay, bitch. Okay, bitch. Okay, bitch. Put this like this. I gotta pour all of these in this pot. Oh shit, this is a lot. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. That bitch is filled to the brim. This is the shit math class was trying to prepare us for. Sally has 256 apples. So I Cloroxed my counter before this. I'm gonna have to roll out the dough on the counter. Okay. We're gonna let that sit there and heat up. So, oh lottie dottie. Girls are girls. Girls, every shout girls. Okay. You add cinnamon. They say an amount, but I don't give a fuck about that amount because I really like a lot of cinnamon in my shit. So I'm just gonna pour that shit in the pot until I feel happy with it. Cause I like a lot of cinnamon. I'm a cinema girl. That should be enough. But I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. It doesn't call for salt, but I just feel like I want something to offset all the sweetness. So we just gonna add a little bit. Not a lot. That's fine. Yeah. It says 3/4 cup sugar. That's fine, I guess. So the reason I usually hate pie is because I hate that it gets mushy. Cause like the texture of it is like makes me want to die. So because I hate mushy textures, I don't cook them until they're completely soft because they're still gonna bake. So they're probably almost done. So I'm about to add the sugar and then we're gonna roll out the dough. And then that's gonna cool while I'm rolling out that dough. Damn. Okay. Damn. Damn. Three. I'm gonna use this later. I'm gonna let that cook. Yeah. What do I do next? Oh, I gotta roll this shit out. I'm about to just start putting flour on my counter. Pie crust. Open the fuck up. Open the fuck up. I don't know how big is this compared to this thing? Okay, we just gotta roll it a little bit. Roll that motherfucker out. I don't want it to be too thin though. Let me test it, bro. I have never made like a full pie like this. That should be fine. right? Okay, I'm about to turn the heat off on this pot. I'll just press this against the edges. I don't know. I've never done this before. If it comes out like dookie butt shit, then oh motherfucking well. Maybe I need to put an apron on my wish list since we're doing cooking with Jazzy. Let me roll this bitch out. I've never done this before, and I don't feel like watching a video on how to do it. So I'm just gonna YOLO. And we're just gonna cut some lines. So now, the fuck? Here are the apples, bro. Okay, I need a little ball. A little ball. Okay, so we're gonna crack an egg in this. Egusi. Egusi? Nigga, I'm African. And like a tablespoon of water, so like, I don't know. And then you mix it up. Okay, now, so I'm gonna just pour this in there. I don't know. Put it in there. Spread it around. Ooh, that's heavy as fuck. I've never done this before. So, let's see how it goes. That'll go in the middle. So then lift it up, go over. That looks right. Yeah. Like, what do I do with the rest of this? I don't fucking know. Fucking roll that shit around. I don't fucking know, nigga. You think I know, bitch? I don't know. Just roll it around. As long as it's edible. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna just brush it on top. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in here. Here's the pie before. Hey guys, and welcome back to Baking with Jazzy. Baking with Jazzy. Baking with Jazzy. Okay, here's the pie. Thumbnail for no video. Okay, now let me flip the camera. Here's the pie. Yeah. Hopefully it's good. I'm looking at this. Ugh.